Hey everyone. So recently we have released a new functionality in our approval. So we have added a new approval which is credit days rule. Now exactly what it does. So first of all, let me show you from where you can go ahead and uh, activate this approval or add this approval. So you need to go to all modules, then you need to go to approvals module. Now once you will come in approvals module, go to approval rules, and on your right hand side, very top corner, you will see an option of add new rule. Click on this. Now here is credit days exceeded approval. So click on this. Here I can select on which I want to apply. Click sales invoice, for example. I will provide permission to Sharat Sen Sharma and I will save this rule. Now, how exactly this rule works? It is not around the amount, it is not around the company. So it simply works in this manner. Like suppose you have already created an invoice. Now, after creating an invoice, let's take an example. The invoice due date have been crossed. So suppose if invoice due date is crossed and the payment is not logged, then this approval rule will work. Now, suppose any invoice got exceeded in the term of payment due date. Now, if I will go ahead and create a new invoice, the rule will apply and it will send the document for approval to the management or to the approver. Once approved, then after only the document will be saved and sent to our buyer. I hope this particular video and functionality will be helpful to you in order to set up the credit days exceeded rule approval. Have a good day ahead.